So today I am here at Latha. I'm trying the Pan-African food for the first time. Honestly, I never tried any of the Pan-African food or general African food, so I'm very curious. That's why I came here. Latha is located in central Phoenix,
tucked away in Heritage Square. It's actually set inside the historical Silva House, a bungalow from 1900s. The vibe here is incredibly warm and welcoming. Doesn't feel like a stiff restaurant, it feels like you are walking into someone's home for a dinner party. For menu, Latha has option for every vibe. You can grab drinks at happy hour, come for brunch, or do what we did and order from the dinner menu. And if you want the full experience, ask about their 3-course tasting menu. It's $65 per person and covers all the highlights.
so the menu selection is pretty big and I had no idea what to order. The server actually gave us some recommendations, so we decided to order Griot wings. It's with the tamarind barbacoa flavor, adobo rub pork chop, and lastly, oxtail barbacoa. Oxtail barbacoa, they've been saying is very, very popular, so I'm very excited to try it. For the drinks, very interesting. We order a pandan caipirinha. Caipirinha is a Brazil national cocktail, she said, and they put their own twist. Pandan, which is Vincent is from Pandan, so we really want.
Pandan?
Vincent is from Malaysia, so we wanted to try this. Anything with pandan should be good. And I got a sorrel tea, it's a mocktail. So I'm excited for my food. So I got a sorrel tea, hibiscus, pineapple, ginger, lemon, lime zest, warm spice. And you can order this hot or cold. And this is Vincent's drink. So this is a pandan caipirinha. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I think I am. Anyway, it's a kacha, pandan liquor, elderflower, lime, and sugar. Cheers. Oh. It's a very interesting flavor. I never had this. I like it. Oh. This tea actually tastes very heavy hibiscus. And a little bit of spice in it. It feels very nice. I think if you order hot, it will taste even better. Let me try your pandan.
Tastes like mojito. Very strong liquor.
Very strong.
Of course, the bowl is for your bones. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
It's strong.
He was surprised about the smell, so. It just hit my nose like all that lime, citrus thing, it hit my nose. Oh, I'm very excited to try it. So we got our wings. This is a tamarind barbacoa. It has some quanqua and suya spice on it. And it's kind of dry rub. And she said if I zest some lemon, it will taste even better. Cheers. Oh, this is so good.
Oh.
Oh, it's spicy. She said it's gonna be spicy. Spicy.
Oh.
This flavored layer really crazy. Like inside it's been seasoned perfectly. Outside the spice is kicking in. Whoa, it's actually spicy in my stomach now. Oh, it tastes very good. And the chicken is very soft inside.
Juicy.
And juicy. Oh, very good. One of the best chicken I ate in my life, excluding Jollibee. Jollibee, no one can touch. This is the best restaurant chicken I tried. Very, very good. Oh,
You guys.
No,
it tastes so good.
Right?
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
so glad we got that.
Yeah.
Very juicy.
There's our pork chop and our oxtail. And how are
Okay.
the drinks?
Oh, it's good.
You're right. It's liquor strong.
Yeah.
I like
Is it? You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so
Beautiful.
much.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Wow.
Oh my god, this portion is big. So I got my oxtail barbacoa. Interestingly, it serves with the mac and cheese. Usually I think it's served with the rice or tortilla you can eat, but they actually serve in their own twist with mac and cheese. And Vincent got his pork chop. It looks amazing. And it comes with some kind of puree. I think it's sweet potato. So I'm gonna try the famous oxtail. It looks very, very juicy and bouncy and fatty. And it's big. I guess, I didn't know oxtail was this big, but let me try. I'm not over exaggerating. It's very good. Wonder why this place has a high Google review. Mac and cheese. Oh my god, this place is so good. It's like, it's very fatty and juicy in there. The texture is very soft and you can feel like you're eating the pure collagen. It must be good for my skin, I think. But anyway, it just melts in your mouth. They know how to cook this. Oh, this is very different style than what I ate in Korea. So trying this in a different culture food, opening my eyes. Like I want to try different food more. Do you like it? He likes it though. Did you try the mac and cheese? Mac and cheese is like, comes in some kind of different type of pasta. Tastes very good. Trying the pork chop, Vincent order is adobo pork chop. Cheers. I'm not a huge fan of pork chop anyway, but it is the softest pork chop I ate so far. And comes with this puree. That helps to actually even soften the meat. This pork chop is very juicy in there though. Usually pork chop is very dry, but this one, they cook it very, very good. But to me, I still like the oxtail the best.
And I successfully finished that whole oxtail dish.
You know, more and more I eat this chicken, it tastes so good. I want to come back to eat different flavor of their chickens. They know how to cook chicken for sure. Oh. So I just got my check. Total is $130.92 without tip.
I used Chase Sapphire Reserve card to pay this meal, and it covers almost everything. I literally only paid the tip out of pocket. Because Latha is officially a Chase Sapphire partner restaurant, that means if you have the Reserve card, you get $150 statement credit biannually. If you have a Chase Sapphire Reserve card, make sure to utilize this. And if you don't and interested to open one, please use my referral link below. This will help to support my channel, and also you may get a best potential sign-up bonus as well. The service was super nice. The food was amazing, especially when I come to a restaurant, if it doesn't taste good, I get pretty upset. But their food was amazing. The price range is not too expensive. And I'm not sure because we're filming, but they actually gave a dessert on the house to go. Chocolate brigadeiro. Interesting thing is it's avocado mousse, sorrel, and date jam. We're too full, so we'll try it at home and let you know. Also, don't miss the shop tucked inside the restaurant. They have a curated selection of merch and pantries item that fits the whole Pan-African theme. It's definitely worth a browse while you wait for your table. Also, if you love their Griot chicken, they actually sell their sauce here, so you can purchase it. So this was our successful dinner at Latha, and I learned something new. Latha actually means taste in Swahili. And also the staff was super friendly, and the owner actually stopped by asking for our food, how it is. And I said it was really, really good. And also you can come visit here to listen to live music on the weekends. Getting out from my bubble actually makes me learn something new, and I'm glad I tried the Pan-African food for the first time. I'm pretty sure some people are gonna say like it's not authentic. I actually don't know if it's authentic or not, but I really enjoyed the food, and I'm really glad they have this kind of restaurant in Phoenix, Arizona. So let me know any other new culture food I should try. I am very open to try something new outside of like Asian food or American food here. I'm very curious what you will recommend me to try. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Cookies. Trying the avocado spread. This is good. It is chocolatey, semi-sweetened, and very smooth, rich as well. It reminds me of one of the Indian dessert I ate in the restaurant. Thank you for the dessert, Latha.